So it is the weight of water by weight of the, for example, if I take for acetone, is equal to surface tension of water by surface tension of acetone. Surface tension of water is constant, that is 72. Similarly, you will be calculating the weight of single drop of water by weight of single drop of acetone. Now you will be getting the surface tension of acetone. Similarly, now drop count method. So here in the drop count method, you will do is, now we took the 20 drops, right? So in the drop count method, you will be filling the solution from marking A up to marking A. Now you will be filling the solution up to marking A. Now you count the number of drops that fall from the marking A to marking B. The difference between drop weight method and drop count method is, in the drop weight method you will be taking the 20 drops. In the drop count method, you will be count the drops that is between A as well as B. The formula for the drop count method is gamma 1 by gamma 2. Gamma 1, if you take acetone, gamma 1 is, let it be, it is for water, by gamma 2 is the surface tension of acetone is equal to, N2 is the number of drops of acetone that falls between mark A to mark B. N1 is the number of drops of acetone that falls between mark A and mark B. Rho 1. Rho 1 is the density of the water. How you will calculate the density of water? Now, by using this weighing bottle or the specific gravity bottle, similarly, you will be measuring this empty specific gravity bottle weight, that is 28.97. Now what you will do is, now you will fill this specific gravity bottle up to this marking. Up to this marking, you have to fill this specific gravity bottle. Now you will close the cap. Now again you will weigh this. Now it is 55. So this is after filling the water. Before is weight of specific gravity bottle. So if you subtract 55 minus 22, you will be getting the weight of water that is filled in this weighing bottle, right? Now here, if you observe, the volume of this weighing bottle is 25 ml. It is already specified here. The volume of this weighing bottle is 25 ml. Now weight of water by 25 ml, you will be getting the density of the water. Similarly, you have to take the empty weighing bottle for acetone. You have to check the weight of the empty weighing bottle. Again you have to fill the empty weighing bottle with acetone. Again you have to weigh with the acetone, W2 minus W1 by 25 ml, you will be getting the density of the acetone. You have to substitute here. Here you will be getting the number of drops of acetone and water, and the specific surface tension of water is already known, that is 72. By this we can measure the surface tension of the acetone. So if you observe this is the marking A and this is the marking B.